Okay, this is the filter. So the water gets sucked down into the pump, it goes up this pipe into the filter. This is like the vacuum cleaner. This is going to clean all the water and take out all the particles. This is where your glass is. The glass is skimming out all the particles, any hair, any dirt, leaves, dirt. Everything is caught in this, and this filters round and then comes through, goes through the UV, which kills the bacteria and any bugs. It's disinfecting with the light. It's like an ultraviolet sunbed. It'll kill all the bugs. Then it comes down, it goes into the chlorine feeder and adds a little bit of chlorine. Then it comes back and goes back into the swimming pool, and that's your loop. Now on top of here, you'll see you have a lever. Now this lever has 6 different parts. The one we need every week at the top is filtration. So the lever is in this position. When this is doing this, this is cleaning the pool water. Once a week, we come down here and we turn everything off. We turn the pump off and we rotate this lever round to backwash. Now what that's doing is cleaning out this, and the water will fire out here. You will see there's a piece of glass here and you'll be able to see the dirt going out. Check the dirt is clear. Until the water runs clear, do not stop the backwash. Do not turn this on or off whilst the pump is running, else you will create pressure in the pump and it could explode. It's unlikely it will explode, but it's not good. You're creating stress and it will go pop or bang. Turn on and off to move, and then rotate back to filtration. This will typically be 2 to 3 minutes of backwash, but you need to look here and make sure it's clear. Run it for another 30 seconds once it's clear to make sure it's clear, and this filter is clean.